Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing what we had for breakfast over a number of days in case you would like to find some ideas to have breakfast for your family, especially if you have kids and a growing family and you'd like something healthy. This video will give you a few ideas of just nice easy meals that you can cook in the morning. And if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button. And now let us make these scrambled eggs and toast and sausage with hot chocolate. Normally we make breakfast every morning. We do not batch cook our breakfast usually, but I have done a video of amazing freezer breakfast that you can make in advance and put in your freezer that your family can enjoy over a number of days or weeks. So please check it out for more amazing breakfast ideas. Breakfast cereal is one of the easiest ways to have a healthy breakfast. It is quick, it is fast. All you have to do is to warm some milk, pour it over your cereal, and you're good to go. Now we just have to make sure that the cereal is healthy and not full of sugar. I also like to add some dried fruits on top of our Weetabix because we don't normally put sugar in our Weetabix. So I find that adding some dried fruits will just give it a little bit of sweetness, and the kids really love it. Hi guys, now today's breakfast is oatmeal. Yes, I love oats and I just feel that they are such a healthy way to have breakfast. And because I struggle with finding ways to make oatmeal, but I was just looking for an inspiration and a new recipe, I went to Skillshare. Now this part of the video is kindly sponsored by Skillshare, and I'm so grateful to you guys also for supporting me when I have sponsored content, and I really thank you for that. Now, you guys know I've been telling you how Skillshare is coming through for me. So one thing I've really been enjoying is all the new recipes, and because we've been having oatmeal for so long, I just thought it's nice to get a new recipe or to get better at it. And I found a course on Skillshare talking about how to get better at making oatmeal. In fact, the teacher who was teaching the course had so many ways to make it, but I'm going to choose the stovetop method because it's easy, and it's easy to do, and it's fun, and it's really healthy, especially if you have kids who are growing and you want to get them a healthy breakfast. Oatmeal is the way to go, and this guy's recipe it's awesome. We like to have oatmeal especially on Friday mornings because on Friday we have a whole day of sports with the kids, and oatmeal is so good because it stays in the tummy. It has so much fiber, keeps kids full for long, and also is really good for the digestive system. Yes, so now let me show you the recipe that I have learned from Skillshare. If you would like to try out Skillshare, I'll put a link in the description below, and the first 1,000 people to use this link are going to get a free month trial of Skillshare, and you will learn so much. There is so much to learn on Skillshare, and yes, you will enjoy it like I am. So now let's make this oatmeal.
Complicated. You want to start off with a pot on a burner and add in 2 cups of oatmeal. To get your oatmeal in, we're going to add some salt because food without salt tastes like garbage. And the big difference you're going to find here is we're going to add in an extra ½ cup of water, and that accomplishes 2 things. One, it rinses all the fat out of our measuring cup, something you're making on a hurried morning. If you have homemade butter, go ahead and pile it on in there, and think rich, think luscious, think yummy. After you get all of your butter in, so there's going to be a lot of stirring, a lot of waiting. We want everything. After you get all of your butter in, then we're going to cook on medium to make a gooey, warm substance. Preferably local honey if you can get it, but if not, honey from the berry.
I am really loving how the table is looking with those table mats. They are so pretty, very colorful, different colors. It comes with a set of 6 table mats and 6 napkins, and I'm going to link them down below in case you are interested. And let me know in the comment section whether you normally eat breakfast at the table with your family, whether you like to sit down and sit around the table or otherwise. Let me know. Okay, we are going healthy, and lately I am having quite a lot of smoothies with spinach straight from my garden. Yes, one of the reasons why I really wanted to grow a garden is because I wanted to have fresh spinach that I can have smoothies with. So I'd normally have smoothie as a replacement of one of my meals, whether it's breakfast or lunch or dinner, and it's really nice because it keeps you full for longer. This morning's breakfast is blueberry pancakes. I mean, can you even? Yes. I am such a lover of pancakes of any kinds, but blueberry ones might be just one of my best. Now, these are not something to make in a rushed morning. I think they're better for a weekend when you're not in a rush. Because, by the way, you need to make sure that your pancakes stay long enough on the pan to make sure that they cook through and through. But oh my goodness, the kids love them. And our kids will normally drink hot chocolate with milk and just a little bit of sugar, not tea yet. My kids have not taken tea yet. I don't know why I haven't given them tea yet, but yes, they usually just take hot chocolate with sugar. Let me know in the comment section below at what age you start giving your kids tea, because I'm here like, oh, tea has caffeine. I know I'm cuckoo crazy, guys. Porridge. Porridge is so healthy, you guys, for breakfast. And we normally have it with fried eggs. Now, what I like to do is I like to balance breakfast proteins with dinner protein. So the day we are not having an animal protein is when we'd normally have eggs for breakfast, so that we're not having too much animal protein in one day. Now, please do not come at me telling me that my porridge is too thick. They actually say in the English language that we're supposed to eat porridge, not to drink it. So I have a particular issue with porridge that is runny and drunk from a cup. So I like to make my porridge quite thick and then add some cold milk at the end just to cool it down faster. Our milk is normally pre-boiled and then we eat it. Yes, because porridge is for eating. Please let me know whether you think my porridge is too thick. I think it's amazing. Yes, but anyway, there's that. And there are our breakfast. I hope you got some interesting and exciting ideas from this video for breakfast. If you'd like to learn how to make freezer meals for breakfast, it's doable, it's really nice. I'm going to link that video right here. It'll give you a lot more ideas on what to cook for breakfast. Put it in your freezer so that you know when your kids are going to school in the morning, they're not running late. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Please watch another video on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and bye.